Are you tired of working hard every day and feeling like you are barely making ends meet? Struggling with bills, rising expenses, and never having enough time for yourself or your loved ones? The truth is, you do not have to trade your time for money forever. What if I told you there are 6 passive income streams that can put money in your pocket even while you sleep? Whether you are in the US, Nigeria, or anywhere in the world, these ideas can change your financial future. Stay with me till the end, because number 6 could be the game changer you have been waiting for. Welcome to Ellen Finance, your guide to smart money moves. Let us get started. Number 1, selling digital products. Let us kick things off with an all-time classic, selling digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it forever. Think about it. Ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos. These are digital products that people are willing to pay for repeatedly. Whether it is teaching people a skill you have mastered or creating simple designs, the opportunities are endless. And the best part? No shipping, no inventory, just pure profit. Platforms like Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, Etsy, Solar.co, and even your own website make it super easy to start. With just your creativity and a little time investment, you can create an income stream that works 24 hours a week. Number 2, drop shipping business. Ever dreamed of running an online store without touching inventory? With drop shipping, suppliers handle the products while you focus on marketing and profits. You do not need a warehouse, storage, or even a huge budget. Your job is to set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and market products. When customers place an order, the supplier handles everything, from packaging to shipping. You just collect your profit margins. Drop shipping allows you to sell trending products from fashion to gadgets without upfront costs. Number 3, YouTube automation, faceless channel. Did you know you can make thousands of dollars on YouTube without showing your face? Yes, with a faceless channel, you can create content on topics like tech reviews, relationships, kids animation, comedy, or even motivational videos. By using tools like AI voiceovers, stock footage, and freelancers, you can automate the entire content creation process and still make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key here is consistency and focusing on high-demand topics. With the right strategy, your channel can keep earning you money long after the videos are published. If you have watched up till this point and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing so right now to be notified anytime I make valuable videos like this. Let us continue. Number 4, affiliate marketing. You recommend things to your friends all the time, right? What if you could get paid for it? Affiliate marketing is a passive income powerhouse that lets you earn commissions by promoting products you already love. Whether you are using platforms like Amazon Associates, Jumia Affiliates, ClickBank, or Expert Nair, all you need is a link and an audience. The best part? You do not need to own a product. Just recommend it and get paid. And don't worry, if you do not have a huge following yet, you can start with blogs, YouTube, or even WhatsApp groups. Number 5, automated online businesses. In today's digital world, automation is king. Imagine running an online business that practically manages itself, whether it is print-on-demand t-shirts, selling monthly subscription boxes, or digital memberships. With tools like Shopify, Zapier, and email automation, you can set up systems that handle orders, customer service, and even marketing. The secret? Set it up once and let automation do the heavy lifting. Your business runs while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family. Last on my list is royalty earnings, music, books, photography. If you are creative, royalties can be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Whether it's writing books, composing music, or capturing stunning photography, your work can generate income for years. Platforms like Amazon KDP for books, Shutterstock for photos, and Spotify for music can allow you to sell your work globally. Each time someone buys, streams, or downloads, you get paid. Your talent can turn into a passive income machine. And the best part? It is a legacy you can pass on to future generations. Let us conclude. Now you have it. 6 powerful passive income ideas that can help you break free from the 9-to-5 grind or even total unemployment. Whether you are passionate about creating digital products, running an automated business, or earning royalties, your journey to financial freedom starts today if you decide to act now. Which of these ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon for more smarter money tips. Please give this video a thumbs up. And remember, success starts with action. Don't just watch this video, start today and watch your financial future transform.